Today we're going to learn how to properly cut and shrink a side window. First, you want to cut a big piece, giving it a couple extra inches on both sides. You want to start from the middle and cut down and then cut up. Now you want to apply the Sharpie on the edge of the glass on both sides. Now you want to lift the bottom of the film up. And roll down the window gently. As you can see, we have a little gap, just enough to cut the top edge. Tack the top down from the middle to the side, from the middle to the other side. Always remember to turn off your car. When you start cutting, you do not want to stop. Now you want to tear away the film, away from the cut. Lift the film off the glass and take it to your peel board. Place your film and tack it. This is just so it doesn't move on you. Now you want to get your ruler and your knife and cut about 1/2 inch past the Sharpie line on both sides so you're able to tuck them in and there's no light gap. Place your ruler on top of the edge and cut it as precise as you can. Now you want to take it back to the glass and you want to leave a gap on the side and at the bottom. Now to shrink, you want to make an N shape. Squeegee down all the water. Now you want to use your heat gun and aim it at the very bottom. You want to make sure fingers pop up and then you want to shrink them. Make sure they curl and then you push down with your squeegee. For the second shrink, you want to lift off the glass about halfway, push down the sides, and shrink what's left in the middle. This will ensure you have a great fit for the installation. Make sure not one bubble is popping up. Make sure to clean it one last time. And make sure to spray down your edges, the bottom, and spray it right before installing it. Now you want to lift off your liner. Spray it down. Don't get the edges or anything so you don't contaminate it. Now lift it off. Pinch on both sides, pull them together from the middle. And now you can start placing it onto the glass. Once all put inside, make sure the top edge is aligned. Now go ahead and squeegee out the soap. While doing this, you want to be paying attention to the top edge and the sides. Make sure they're not moving. If so, proceed to squeegee out. After doing one pass, make sure to give it another pass to make sure all the water is out. This also prevents it from shifting and moving around, and can speed up the drying process a lot faster. Now using this tool, you want to spray the side and squeegee out the edges from the middle bottom and then from the middle to the top. Using your thumb, you want to push it out and roll the window up at the same time. Once the window is rolled up, you can now squeegee the bottom of the window. And then you squeegee out the outside, and you got your window tint.